Good morning, student. It's a wonderful day, Children's Day, and it's a very special day for all of you. In this day, no doubt, we remember our Chacha Nehru. Few of the things I would like to say about Chacha Nehru, which we need to incorporate in our lives, especially in your lives. Something our Chacha Nehru was very much focused what he used to do. He was very much focused, and he became the Prime Minister of India. Not only that, he was such a successful Prime Minister that he led a country with a whole lot of diversity, with a whole lot of complexity that India had at that point of time. With such a challenging time, he really led the country in a wonderful way. Now, coming back to us from his life, what I would like to encourage you, including me, that let's focus what you are doing. I mean to say, you are doing your study. Let's focus on your study. Let me repeat, let's focus on your study so that Chacha Nehru will be happy, and the purpose of celebrating Children's Day will be successful. All the best and congratulations on this special day to all the students of our church school. Thank you.
A very happy Children's Day to all of you. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow, said Chacha Nehru, whose birth anniversary we celebrate today, the auspicious 14th of November. On this very special day, I extend my warmest greetings and wishes to all the dear students of our school. Students, a very happy Children's Day to you. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was very popular among children, was fondly called as Chacha Nehru. Though a great leader and freedom fighter who fought hard for India's independence, he advocated for children to have compulsory education. This day is indeed special, though it's not only today, but every day we try our best to give you all the opportunity to open your wings and fly high and towards achieving your goals. For us, your today, your everyday is as special as much as your future. And every day we strive to render an excellent learning environment as your physical and mental health are our topmost priority. Well, this day is for you to enjoy, have fun and relax, and appreciate and enjoy whatever the teachers have brought for you from their love and care for you. So, I take your leave, leaving you with all the warmth and love from your school. A very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
You put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and shake it all about. You do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. And now the right hand. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and shake it all about. You do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. And now the left leg. You put your left leg in, you put your left leg out, you put your left leg in and shake it all about. You do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. And now the right leg. You put your right leg in, you put your right leg out, you put your right leg in and shake it all about. You do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
Students, the year 2021 has been an extremely difficult year for everyone. You have seen unbelievably difficult phases. You all have cooperated teachers wholeheartedly during online classes. Dear students, keep working hard. A happy childhood is perhaps the most beautiful gift in life. So, let's cherish each and every moment of it. It is a small initiative taken by the teachers to make your day very special. The theme being duty first and self last. So, it's time to reveal the surprise. Hope you all like it.
है। लाखों है निगाह में जिंदगी की राह में, अंग्रेजी गणित विज्ञान। पेपर में सवाल है, होठों पे जवाब है, लेकिन वो मार्क्स कहाँ। लाखों है निगाह में जिंदगी की राह में, अंग्रेजी गणित विज्ञान। पेपर में सवाल है, होठों पे जवाब है, लेकिन वो मार्क्स कहाँ। फेल न हो जाऊं कभी कहीं, डर लगता है नहीं नहीं। फेल न हो जाऊं कभी कहीं, डर लगता है नहीं नहीं। तौबा ये पढ़ाई की जान गवाई, तौबा ये पढ़ाई की जान गवाई, लेके चलूं मैं इसे साथ साथ। है लाखों है निगाह में जिंदगी की राह में, अंग्रेजी गणित विज्ञान। पेपर में सवाल है, होठों पे जवाब है, लेकिन वो मार्क्स कहाँ। जानू न कोरोना कब जाएगा, किस किस को ये तड़ पाएगा। जानू न कोरोना कब जाएगा, किस किस को ये तड़ पाएगा। छोटे छोटे शब्दों में पढ़ना पड़े, MCQ में ही पेपर बने। छोटे छोटे शब्दों में पढ़ना पड़े, MCQ में ही पेपर बने। ऑनलाइन हो पढ़ाई पर दोस्तों की याद आई, ऑनलाइन हो पढ़ाई पर दोस्तों की याद आई, लेके चलूँ मैं इसे साथ साथ। है लाखों है निगाह में जिंदगी की राह में, अंग्रेजी गणित विज्ञान। पेपर में सवाल है, होठों पे जवाब है, लेकिन वो मार्क्स कहाँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning and a pleasant morning to one and all. I would like to share a few words with you in this special day. In the words of a famous novelist, Paulo Coelho, a child can teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, and to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand with all his might that which he desires. I will not deny with the fact of looking at all your beautiful faces here. There are times when we teachers as adults fail to realize that the well-being of a person lies in finding happiness in nothing at all. That's where we get courage and confidence from you. The insignificant chatters for hours without head enter, smiling at a passerby, enjoying the process rather than worrying about the results, and leaving imprints in the most surprising way. Each child is a gift of God. Almighty's grace and peace is visible through each. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Children's Day, I take this podium to give you a sweet advice rather than a bulky lecture on how to live your life and how to not. As a toddler, many of you must have been fascinated by the orange flame when an elder lit the candle, bright yellow and warm. Your mother or father must have told you not to touch a lit candle or else you would hurt yourself. And in curiosity, you must have either burnt yourself the trails and you know what is to be done. Then comes a time when you are unable to understand the viscosity of the matter and you sit clueless and helpless. Don't be disheartened. We have got you back. Speak about it, and if it still feels hard, write your heart and out, feel at ease. School can feel heavy sometimes. Parents giving you life lesson and their stories, how they crossed the bridge to attain school may not sound real. Nagging of teachers may irritate you, and everything that the big books recommended may not be able to get well into your hearts and minds. But take a note, these little things are going to be the best of your memories, and when you get old enough to sit by the window with your person, I hope you will have enough stories to share and sip coffee with. So children, live, love, discover, learn and laugh, and always remember to be kind and grateful for this life are living, because we need closed textbook and open mind. Kind people are the best finds. Enjoy your childhood. Run, fall, rise. No matter how much want to grow up now, these days will always be the most cherished of your treasure. Remember always. Wish you all the best for your near future. God bless. Thank you.
It's time for splashing fun. Cheers and jolly time to everyone. Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow till you find your dream. Let's cherish fun unlimited, bounteous shower of love and care, realm of imagination and the joy of growing up. I seize the opportunity to showcase love for all of you on the auspicious occasion of Children's Day. So, here we have our very own teachers representing the teachers of different states. No matter wherever we are, what connects us is the learning, the student-teacher relationship, which has no bar of place.
So let's welcome our first teacher teaching English. She represents the land of talents unlimited, the land of various great men like Rabindranath Tagore and Raja Ganesha, the land of Misty Doi. Yes, you guessed it right. She represents the state of Bengal. Our next teacher represents the land of scenic beauty, the wealth of natural beauty in the form of placid backwaters, lush greenery, de-stressing beaches. She is drawing a beautiful rangoli. Yes, you guessed it right. She is an art teacher from Kerala. Let's meet the teacher from a land cradled high in the lofty green Himalayas, surrounded by mountain peaks, lush green valleys, glistening lakes, temples of spectacular Mughal era. She is carrying experiments and imparting knowledge in enchanting and insurmountable Kashmir. Our next teacher is from the state whose capital is Chennai, a land of pilgrimage site, temples, architecture, food, movies, Carnatic music. It is the home of Cholas, Pandavas and Pallavas. We can witness the teacher teaching Hindi in Tamil Nadu. Times changed. Pandemic hit us. The education system crashed. We were finding every possible way to reach out to each one of you. The educators came up with the idea of online teaching. Our next segment represents different states, different teachers, different students. But what did not change was our love for you and craving to reach out to each one of you, and so we have the new mode of teaching called as online teaching. Our next teacher is teaching from the land of lassi, makke di roti and sarson da saag, the land of 5 rivers, the heart of India's Sikh community. It needs no clues. She is a teacher teaching from her home in Punjab. Let's put our hands together for the sweetest people, the land of dhoklas and khakras, the land which represents prosperity, beaches, temples, towns, historic capitals, the home state of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, very rightly thought. She is conducting explanatory classes of biology from her home in Gujarat. Next we have an alluring teacher from a land of red rivers and blue hills, the land full of aroma of tea gardens, Bihu being its festival and dance too. She is conducting online classes from Assam. Our next teacher is from the land of pristine beaches. It is the state of incredible natural beauty. Waterfalls, green forest, fabulous beaches, golden shimmering sand, place of seafood lovers. She is a teacher taking religious classes in online mode in Goa. No matter how challenging times are, in whichever place we belong to, what matters is our incredible love for you. It is our way of giving back a bit in a minuscule way. We dedicate this little initiative of ours to our brave hearts, to our shining stars, our lovely, passionate, inquisitive students. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. May you preserve the child in you and leave behind legacy for times to come. Thank you.
Good morning everyone and a very happy Children's Day to all my lovely students. As a teacher, I feel blessed to have a blessing like you all by my side. The mid of November is a very special occasion for us. Every year, we celebrate 14th November as Children's Day because it is the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His bond and fondness with children are legendary. Celebrating his birthday as Children's Day in school, at home, at educational institutions and in families is our way of honoring the memory and vision of Pandit Nehru. It is just because of the eagerness and ambitions of the children of our country we can manage to achieve the glory that Indian society deserves. In schools and institutions is a day of fun. Most of the schools organize several entertainment programs and exciting competitions for the children. However, the day is incomplete without a reflection of the ideas and values that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru lived by. He has come from a very fortunate background, but it did not affect his attitude. Also, his family wealth was enough to have him a place of honor in British India. Still, he chose to be at the side of Mahatma Gandhi and become an important part of the freedom struggle. He has set an excellent example for the youngsters, parents and teachers of our country. In this era of technology, we all have complaints and most of the lack of time. Nehru ji proves that all these barriers have been built up by our mind. Jawaharlal Nehru was very fond of children, and all the children used to call him Chacha Nehru. To sum it up, I extend my warmest greetings and wishes you all a happy Children's Day. Let's celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been given to us. However, let us also remember the great responsibility that is ours towards this society and a better India. The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day. Happy Children's Day.
मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी,
दिवस की तुम सबको शुभकामनाएं। चर्च स्कूल की बगिया के रंग बिरंगे फूल हो तुम, चर्च स्कूल की बगिया के रंग बिरंगे फूल हो तुम। तुम ही तो हमारी शान हो, जान हो, तुमसे हैं हम, हमसे हो तुम। तुम ही तो हमारी शान हो, जान हो, तुमसे हैं हम, हमसे हो तुम। हमारी सहनशीलता तुम्हारी उद्दंडता ही तो दर्शाती है गुरु शिष्य की परंपरा। हमारी सहनशीलता तुम्हारी उद्दंडता ही तो दर्शाती है गुरु शिष्य की परंपरा। हमारा चिल्लाना, डांटना, आंखें तरेरना निश्चय तुम्हें न भाता होगा, निश्चय तुम्हें न भाता होगा। पर यकीन मानो हमारी दिल से बस दुआ ही निकलती। जहाँ भी रहो खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, रोशन इस जहाँ को करो। जहाँ भी रहो खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, रोशन इस जहाँ को करो। बच्चों, बाल दिवस तुम सबको मुबारक हो। जाने मेरी जाने मन तेरा बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे। जाने मेरी जाने मन तेरा बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे। हम सब तुम्हारे बचपन के प्यार हैं, ठीक है बच्चों, हमें भूल नहीं जाना। ठीक है, धन्यवाद।